Hello, children, and welcome back once again to our online session. Children, in our previous session, I explained you how to use unless in the sentence of if not. In our today's session, I am going to explain you how to use if not in the sentence of unless. So, first of all, I'll explain you the rules. While using if not in the sentence of unless, first of all, the word unless we have to replace with the word if. After using if, whatever first verb comes, that first verb we have to make negative. If that verb is helping verb, then it is very easy to make it negative. What we have to do? Just we have to put the word not after it. For example, if the verb is, its negative will be is not. Was is there, was not. Were is there, were not. Will is there, will not. Can is there, cannot. Could is there, could not. So, if it is a helping verb, then it is very easy to convert it into negative. But sometimes main verb is there. So, I'll explain you how to make the main verb negative. If the main verb is given in the first form, to make it negative, we have to use do not plus V1. For example, if the verb is go, then its negative will be do not go. If the suffix yes, es or ies is added to the main verb, then we have to use does not plus V1 to make it negative. For example, if the verb is goes, then its negative is does not go. If the main verb is given in the second form, then to make it negative, we have to use did not plus first form. For example, went is there. Then negative of went is did not go. So, in this way we have to make the verb negative, and remember that while using if not in the sentence of unless, there will be no change in another part of the sentence. Another part means the part of the sentence which is given after comma, there will not be any change. That part we have to write as it is. So all these things I'll explain you through the sentences. See here. Unless you study hard, you will not pass. In this sentence, what we have to do? We have to use if not. Sometimes they tell us to use if not, otherwise sometimes they tell us to use only if. But only if we have to use, not is also compulsory, not also we have to use there. So see here how to use. First of all, the word unless we will replace with the word if. Then we have to use the subject if you. Now as I said that after using if, whatever first verb comes, that we have to make negative, and here main verb is there. Study is the first form of the main verb. So I already explained you how to make negative the first form of the main verb. What we have to do? We have to use do not plus first form of the verb. So what will be the negative of study? Yeah, obviously it is do not study. If you do not study hard. Now I have already said that while using if not in another part of the sentence, means the part of the sentence which is given after comma, in that part no change will be there. That part we have to write as it is. If you do not study hard, you will not pass. Now see here, one more sentence. Unless Priya completes her work, her mother will scold her. Her mother will scold her. So, unless we have to replace with if, then subject, if Priya. Now here also helping verb is not available and completes is the main verb. Means the suffix yes is added to the main verb, and if yes or es is added to the main verb, then we have to use does not plus v1 to make it negative. So what will be the negative of completes? Does not complete. If Priya does not complete her work, and then there will be no change in the remaining part of the sentence. Her mother will scold her. See one more sentence. Unless you played well, you would not win the match. Unless you played well, you would not win the match. Unless we have to replace with if you. Now here played is the second form. So how to make the negative if second form of verb is there? We have to use did not plus first form. So the negative of played will be did not play. If you did not play well, there will not be any change in the remaining part of the sentence. You would not win the match. Now sometimes what happens, unless is used in the middle part of the sentence. Then how to solve? See here. I will not go there unless she invites me. So here unless is used in the middle part of the sentence. Answer we have to start from here only. I will not go there unless we have to replace with if. She. Now after replacing unless with if, what we have to do? Whatever first verb comes after that, that verb we have to make negative. Here yes is added to the main verb. So we have to use does not plus v1 to make it negative. I will not go there if she does not invite me. The same answer you can write in this way also. If she does not invite me, but if you use if in the beginning, then after one clause you have to give comma. If she does not invite me, comma, I will not go there. So students, I hope you have understood this topic. For conducting the exercise, we will meet in the evening. Till then, it's goodbye.